Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Zendesk AI Chatbot. To get started, open Zendesk and go to the home area of your agent workspace. This is where you can access the main tools and settings needed to begin creating your AI chatbot. If you are already logged in, you should land on the Home or Tickets view, which is a good starting point for this setup. Once you are on the main screen, look to the top left and click the Support dropdown. This menu gives you access to different Zendesk products and features, so it is the place to go when you want to switch from regular support tools into AI-related setup options. From that dropdown, select AI Agents. This will take you to the AI Agents section, where you can create and manage chatbot experiences for your support channels. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds, since these dashboards can sometimes open a little more slowly than the standard ticket view. When you arrive in the AI Agents dashboard, go to the top right of the screen and click Create AI Agent. This begins the setup flow for a new chatbot. At this stage, Zendesk is preparing a guided onboarding experience that will help you define how the bot should be used. Next, choose the option for Email or Message. This selection tells Zendesk which communication type you want the AI agent to support. Make sure you choose the option that matches the way your team plans to interact with customers, since this can affect how the bot is configured during setup. After that, enter your brand name in the provided field. Be sure to type it carefully, since this helps identify the AI agent and connect it with the appropriate business experience inside Zendesk. A clear and accurate brand name can also make future management easier if you end up creating more than one AI agent. From there, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Zendesk will guide you through the remaining onboarding steps directly in the interface. Read each screen carefully before moving on, and complete any required fields or selections as prompted. This part is important because it shapes the behavior and setup of your chatbot. Once everything is complete, test the AI using the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can preview how the chatbot responds and make sure the setup is working as expected. Take a moment to try a few sample prompts so you can confirm the bot is responding appropriately before moving forward. And that is how to set up a Zendesk AI chatbot.